In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest MeChat mod menu fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to powerful in-game features, including unlimited gems and additional mod options for MeChat on mobile. As you can see on the screen, the MeChat mod menu includes several useful features, such as free shopping, unlimited gems, and more enhancements designed to improve your gameplay experience on both iPhone and Android. Before we get started, make sure your MeChat app is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for MeChat, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. There, I explain exactly where and how to get MeChat++. Just follow the steps provided in the pinned comment to activate the mod menu. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.